Welcome to Storytelling DIY. Today I'm showing you an easy way to get started telling a story. This technique works particularly well when you want to help young ones to find a way into a story. Looking at illustrated books and not relying on the printed text, but rather finding your own interpretation of what you see is as exciting as following the given story. Sometimes, however, the pictures are too detailed. There's too much to look at. Where to start? This is where my little trick comes in. Frame part of the busy picture and start from there, asking, what is happening here? You can use the small picture frame that you already have at home, or you can make a small one out of twigs or sticks. I used chopsticks for this one. Of course, you can also let the participants choose their own framed section to talk about. Following the initial question of what is happening here, you could also, for example, ask, why is it happening? What happened before? What is happening next? Or ask specific questions. Who is coming? What are they making here? And who is it for? What are Findus and the chicken looking at? Why? And who is at the door? And if you don't have picture books handy, you can find images in magazines or newspapers or even flyers. Look at these. What does the cat want to do? What is happening in the sky? Who is this man and what is he going to say? Where does this tunnel lead to? What is the man reading? The woman is pointing at something. What is it? If this dog could talk, what would it say? Who does this hand belong to? What are these people talking about? Getting framed gets a whole new and positive meaning. Give it a try and have fun. See you in my next Storytelling DIY video.